In today's video, I'm ranking 12 AI sites into definitive tier list, and the first list, which is the F tier list. Now it is otherwise known as the least banned risks. So guys, if you are not careful right here, you can definitely get your account banned. And the next one is the S tier list, which is the highest paid one. So right here you can apply to the highest paid AI job website. So you want to stay with me right to the end of this video so you can know the particular AI job or AI website you need to apply to right now. So guys, make sure you stay with me right to the end of this video, and if you need my CV template, you know what to do. Just type CV in the comment section to apply to all these AI website. So guys, let's get into the video. So guys, we are going to start from the bottom right there. So I'll be revealing the sites right from the bottom. So now the first website on our list is simply called Outlier slash Handshake. So guys, if you're watching this video from Nigeria or non-supported countries, so you simply want to avoid Outlier because you are going to get banned. All right, so you simply want to avoid it. Of course guys, now as you can see right here, they are paying between $15 to $50 per hour. All right, and now for 2026 the security is too strong for VPNs or proxy, so you work, accumulate money, and then get banned at payout. So you want to avoid Outlier for now. All right, but if you are in the US, UK, and so on, you can definitely make use of this. If you want to go to their website right here, outlier.ai, if you are eligible. All right, if you are eligible, you want to go to their website and actually get started. So guys, this is the first one, and the next one on our list right here is simply called Toloka. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this website, Toloka. And now you can actually use this on mobile, so it is mobile responsive, so you can use it. And now the pay is between $2 to $8 per hour, and they also do instant payout, so you can use this to buy data while waiting for the S tier site approval. So I'll simply show you the S tier approval. All right, the best website to actually use right here. So you want to stay with me right to the end of this video. So guys, you can go to their website right here at toluka.ai in order to actually create an account for yourself. So this is toluka.ai. As you can see right here, there are lots of opportunities right here on this platform, so you can also go through it right now and get started. Now the next one is simply called Outlier.ai. All right, so as you can see, they have an easy entry. So of course right here for the status, they have high approval for Africans, and now they pay between $5 to $15 per tax, and they are mobile friendly like I said earlier on. So, and they just updated their system to handle more tax, and this is the best way to get your first $10 proof of income. All right, so you can actually make use of Outlier.ai. They are currently hiring, and I'll check their website right here at Outlier.ai. As you can see right here, so this is their website, and you can simply create an account. All right, so guys, and after that you simply want to wait for approval. They are expanding into Nigeria for visual annotation, and the pay is between $8 to $20 per hour for iMerit. So guys, iMerit is a global website, so now they are available in different countries. Now they are, and the focus is on the legal and medical imaging. So if you have an MLS background just like me, you want to apply for their medical data project. To the next one right there, we have iMerit. So now as you can see the status. So to actually get started, you can simply go through their website right here and apply for a job in data enrichment. So this is our website, imerit.net. All right, so you want to take note of that. The next one right here is simply called Cloud Factory, and as you can see right here, Cloud Factory, they have their major operations in Kenya and Nigeria, and the pay is between $5 to $15 per hour per project. Now this is great for video capture and linguistic claims extraction, and they are very beginner friendly but strict on accuracy. So you can also visit their websites. If you just type Cloud Factory in Google right here, you can actually go to their website and create an account for yourself. So the next one right here is SME careers, and they are specialists. So as you can see right here for the status, hiring credits, weeks, and data analysts in Lagos / remote, and they pay between 300 to 800k monthly. The logic behind this, so you want to look for their super annotate and weeks model project. They actually value professional experience, so you can simply visit their website right here, sme.careers, to actually get started. Now guys, now let's look at the next one right there. So we have one format, and of course guys, one format is stable. Now the, as you can see right here, the status right here, they are the UHRS king, and of course they pay between $5 to $20 per hour on the one format. So you want to focus on the language tasks because they pay more right here on one format, and they are most reliable for Nigerians, constant project flow, and you just need to pass the linguistic QA test to unlock IRP right there on the one format. So you can visit their website right here at oneformat.com right there, so you can go through their website to actually get started, because they have different open opportunities just for you. The next one is simply called Telos International, and of course Telos International, they are also stable and are currently hiring. Now as you can see the status right there, hiring robotics AI specialists, and they pay between $20 to $50 per hour, and this is the logic behind it. They are very reliable community, and projects are long term right here, 4 to 40 hours per week. So right here, excellent for steady USD income. So if you want something steady, you can simply go to their website right here, telosdigital.com/careers right here, to actually get started. As you can see, you can find your career at Telos Digital right here. So you can search for roles, guys. You just have to be consistent with this. Please, if you are getting value from this video, I want you to like and subscribe if you like to subscribe, and also share with a friend out there. Another wonderful website, we have another wonderful website right there, which is called Micro One. And of course guys, Micro One is also stable. As you can see the status right there, they are hiring for human data infrastructure for AI. So now they pay monthly. As you can see the monthly retainers, as you can see for the pay, monthly retainers up to 1.5 to 2.5 million for senior roles. All right, so guys, this is simply amazing, and you can see the logic right here. You must pass their AI vetting, which is 20 to 40 minutes. This is a coding and reasoning heavy platform. All right, so you simply want to visit Micro One right there, the AI platform for human intelligence right there. So this is the platform. So this is our website. You can simply go to micro1.ai and simply get started. The next one is simply called Remo AI, and this is an airlines website. As you can see the status right here, they are simply hiring massively in 2026, because and also they are expanding into Nigeria. As you can see, massive 2026 expansion in Nigeria, and it pays between $15 to $115 per hour depending on your seniority. And this is the logic. They are looking for content editors and image model trainers, very high approval rate for clear thinkers right here on the Remo AI. So you can visit their website right here, remoai.group. As you can see, this is their website. So guys, with that you can simply get started now. The next one is called Invisible Tech. Invisible Tech is also an SLite website. As you can see right here, the hiring specialists like BMLS, medical tech, and so on, and it pays between $25 to $120 per hour. And they just released a major project for Yoruba, Hindi, and Kenya English specialists. Your degree is your ticket right here on the Invisible Tech. So guys, you can simply visit their website right here at invisibletech.ai to actually get started. Now, the last on our list right here, we have Mindrift. As you can see right here, they are actively hiring in Nigeria for biology, math, and STEM, and the pay is up to $55 per hour. Logic right here uses an automatic assessment RLHF test. So if you pass this, you are in. No interview is required. All right. You simply want to go to their website right here, mindtrip.ai, to actually get started. All right, that's what I have for you in today's video. And of course, guys, make sure you pick two. Make sure you pick two and start working on them. If you are able to subscribe, just subscribe and like this video, share it with your friend out there. Right. So, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.